This is it, guys. We are here in Japan, Gala Yokozawa. Oh, ever. But it's very nice. Okay, guys. So mag-winter wonderland. Woo. Gala Yokozawa. Okay, perfect. Check ka dyan. Oh, you need to put something in your ears. Okay. Look, if there's nothing in your ears, bugnaw kayo. Wow, beautiful, nice experience.
I'm not gonna risk pulling out the goose.
Yeah, ayaw lang matagak na si Mr. Goose.
He's gonna camouflage.
Wow, perfect. Patay na yung phone. Yay! So cold. Temperature now. Snow, guys. So, wow. Hangin pagkabugnawa. Oh, wow. There's snowboarding. Oh. Whew. You need really good, beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, I see a deer.
You need something here like glasses.
I'm gonna get sick again from the snow.
It's very cold. How's everything, Basti?
Not good.
Imagine if you're living here, no? Parang wala magpuyo there. Like in the olden times nung Japan.
With the busted gloves. I have them. Get the gloves. That's fine. That gave you the busted gloves. These are your gloves, right?
Put your hands in your pocket. Wow. Gala Yokozawa, guys. Very nice. Let's see a fox.
So to them, this is working on you. Oh no!
Oh, napo din sila yung lift. Oh, pwede ka mag-snowboard. Kana wag gauna na to. Mag-ski sila. Sa Amerika, kano naman.
Guys, careful, the bar might hit Colorado.
Colorado, no?
Dad!
Ha?
Get your arm out!
Nga naman. Yay! Pwede siguro dili. Go up. Move, Basti, move. No! Dali. Shit, ako now there, guys. Basti. Nanindot to yun. May observation
I'm
deck.
gonna crush this on you!
Wow. It's very beautiful. Oh, dude, that's looking so good. Oh, padaplin ta kayo. Agianan ni siya. Now here, Basti. Let's go to the observation deck. There. Go to the side. Whoa, what you got there, man? Yeah, likotan niya. Grabe ang snow, guys. Puno kayo. Trucks on the snow.
Oh, look, they're skiing.
It's a snowstorm here. So guys, finally, so imig snow nga nindot kayo.
What else snowy land?
This is the best. Kung ka guys, ano? Huh? Here, it's in Switzerland, Japan. Nawas ba ito? Uy, kabugnaw na, uy. Steve. Ayaw dong, agianan na. Come, you play here. Ayaw pang labay lagi. Oh my gosh. Ski patrol. Whew. Outbound nga to, ma'am. Pikas. Ang outbound ka to. Hala, malupong pa ni. Laki ba? Picture ko there. Oh my god. Okay, time to do the photo.